I will, yeah. Juke them. Juke them.
Oh, juke them now.
Yeah, juke them.
Diamond! Oh, Taxman, you're there, man. I saw you, man.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the war is here too.
Yeah, whoa.
Oh my
There's the
gosh.
barge there, the builder there.
Yeah. Oh, Mr. Ray. Oh my gosh. Seems like I ain't seen well, you know.
Yeah.
Mr. Ray.
That's not Ray and Neville, you know.
Oh, I knew.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
No, not too far. No, we can't roll with that, man. Hold on, put that. Yeah, right. Yeah?
See it there?
No, more
The journey begins. Well, we like your hairstyle.
Drive it. Anyway.
Yeah, we like your hairstyle. Yeah, big up the door now. Because I'm not teaching them to do a nice hairstyle. See there, Baja? You see it?
Yeah.
The new beginning, the new hairstyle.
Yeah, you want every arm for drive now.
What every am I know? Where am I there? See there?
Them armor can't drive now.
See
A black one. Don't me one. Drive one nail. Start the nail first.
We have a bitch.
Right, that's something I go. Yeah, man. Right, that's it. Make sure you leave it. When you're near the tail, yeah, man. Squeeze the bigger man now. See bigger man there.
How much, sir?
Price of 50, 51.
Anything at 50 me again, still. No, what's up here?
Yeah. 51.
Yeah, man. Listen,
Yeah, from Rolex.
Yeah, man. Come with me now, cuz.
Sure, Rolex.
Come on for the thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
But next week I say we can drop off some more still.
Next week again?
Yeah.
Alright, then respect you, yeah?
Yeah, man. Dig it.
Big up yourself, my general.
What?
Yeah. Natasha.
Mommy. Come in.
Natasha. You get some pumpkin from Rolex, from the UK where my father. I think his family do some farming as well to have some pumpkin. So, and him still grown professional. So him drop off some pumpkin for you and say next week again, I'm going to drop off some more. So his name Rolex from England.
Big up yourself, Rolex, from England, enough love. And Holy God bless you. You and Salah, God bless you always.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So we give thanks to that Rolex. Big up yourself. How are they? Today we start the first lineup of Natisha project. Pumpkin on the same day plus a new hairstyle. Plus a new hairstyle as well too. So we give thanks to that Rolex, big up yourself. And blessings and give thanks to all the donors them. See there?
Blessings.
Natisha work start first day of lining up. You know, they are putting the line them. Build a new room do already. So you know, say first day of lining. Is it Natisha get some nice pumpkin?
Very nice pumpkin.
Yeah, looking good. Yeah, so big up yourself Rolex from the UK. The Natisha pumpkin them.
Where chef?
Chef, boy, Natisha call you. Oh, chef, yeah.
Whoa. Yeah, man.
Natisha share the blessings with you.
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Whoa. For the kitchen.
Big up to the kitchen.
Yeah, man. See this gym team kitchen in Taberna, you know?
Yeah.
Man, come make a girl and belly bang up, you know?
There's a bang belly girl again.
Yeah, man.
Pumpkin pie.
Firm.
Yeah, man. No, can't put pumpkin pie, it's pumpkin rice, you know?
Pumpkin rice, pumpkin Caesar rice.
Yeah, man. Caesar rice pumpkin, you know? Pumpkin. You don't know about pumpkin. Everything pumpkin can make a pie.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Can make a juice.
Pumpkin juice, that bad enough.
Pumpkin do all type of thing, mix it with all the sauce.
Make some in a water, some pumpkin
The
juice.
sauce mix.
But
Pumpkin and carrot can make porridge. Bad carrot.
Yeah, man. Pumpkin and carrot.
no, some blend up carrot in a porridge already, you know. Carrot and banana, peanut. You see?
Stop up, you know, porridge already, man.
Blend up a carrot, man, already, man, a porridge, man.
Pumpkin and carrot.
Pumpkin rice later, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Get some more fish and put one on there.
Pumpkin make you can see good too.
Young key, you know.
Yo, Jeda, man.
You say, big up the donor them, man. Big them up.
Yeah, I want to tell you something that
Yeah. Talk to them, man, isn't it? Big up, what's your name? Courtney and Sophia for the tablet. For you. Yeah. So you get pumpkin now. Oh, yeah, chef again. Chef. More goodies. More goodies for the kitchen.
Pumpkin and
Rice, you know, cabbage mix, you know.
Yeah, well, chop up.
Yes, you see that.
Steam down.
Steam make right now.
Yeah. You want some more cabbage now?
Alright.
Get some more cabbage. We'll buy some more cabbage right from her.
We'll chop up some pumpkin nice. Some
Yeah.
macaroni.
And some dumpling.
dumpling.
Cook and fast.
Dumpling.
Dumpling.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So you have the pumpkin already, so we'll buy some more cabbage.
down there.
Yeah, flour down there already. And calm
Macaroni, little man.
So now they just tell us some more cabbage there.
Yeah, car. No, you have to set the thing. The measurement and measure up, you know, sir.
Yeah, I measure
Work that out.
Work up for God! Work up for God!
You see what I say?
There's a young key now.
You know, Johnny, let's start keep it. See a minor league and play a ball.
I put in my goal and kick some ball past him.
This is a pumpkin. Right, pumpkin rice. Soup in a pumpkin.
Yeah.
Pumpkin porridge. Pumpkin everything.
And pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Lone pumpkin. You know? Boy, whoa. Pumpkin.
Pure pumpkin.
Pure pumpkin.
Bam
So can
pumpkin.
cook pumpkin rice mixed with dumpling. No.
You can't mix a pumpkin.
Yeah, pumpkin rice and dumpling.
Pumpkin with the cabbage.
She said, can't say Alien and the chef, you know, Alien and the chef, man.
Yeah.
I cook pumpkin rice and dumpling.
No, I never said, I never miss that statement, you know, that man said dumpling, I said don't mix pumpkin and dumpling. No, I said pumpkin with dumpling, but don't mix it to the rice.
Oh.
Yeah,
You see?
it's not mixed.
It's just pumpkin. So
What you doing with that, man?
Oh, colors.
Damn.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I'm sleeping. I wake up very early this morning. Mr. Marvin. So I'm sleeping. Yeah, in the jacuzzi bed around there that those donors sent me, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I wake up and I say, hold on, I don't see the team. And when I wake up, I saw the car.
Yeah.
So when I go to the bar room and when I get back, I don't see the car.
Yeah.
Saying, hold on, where those people are gone?
Yeah.
So I asked somebody and they told me, you guys run here.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, team.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you know, I was around here yesterday telling that young lady that the team was gonna be around here. But it seemed like she didn't believe me, man.
Yeah.
She believe it now.
Oh,
See how they go and greet her.
you guys, man.
See everybody there.
Hey, Nikisha, what's
Nakisha.
up? Didn't I told you yesterday, innit? Oh, your face look very bright though. Oh my God. Big up the donors. Good afternoon, donors.
Hey, good afternoon.
Jam, love you so much. Right now, you make me so comfortable, donors.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Team, I'm sorry you guys wasn't around there Saturday.
Yeah.
So, what you missed Saturday, you're gonna hear it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know the donors them, they deserve medals, innit?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And when I say medals, I don't mean bronze.
Yeah.
I don't mean gold. No. I don't mean silver medals. You know what kind of bronze? Diamond! Platinum medals!
Yes,
Those are the medals those donors deserve. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah! You're doing good for us down here in Chinatown. I love you, donors.
Yeah.
And I love the dream team too.
Yeah.
I love Kina too. I love the Lord God Almighty too.
Oh.
Because it's Him make everything possible, innit?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, just waking about on the jacuzzi, man.
At
Oh
this
my
time.
gosh. Then I we say brands, you know.
Yeah.
No, because we might disable our way.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Brands.
Yeah, I clothes make me look like Juki Jam, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying?
See,
Yeah, so, you
juke
know.
them, jam them.
Oh my gosh. AK Colors, innit?
AKA colors.
Big up all the team, man.
Yeah. Juke them,
You don't
jam.
want to come put in a little punch though.
Of course. I will. Yeah.
How that?
Juke them. Blend them.
Oh, juke them now.
Yeah. Juke them.
Hey, you get what I'm saying, Remy? Diamond! Oh, Taxman, you're there, man. Yeah. I saw you, man.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, the war is here too.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh my
I see
God.
Baja there, the builder there.
Yeah. Oh, Mr. Ray. Oh my gosh. Seems like I ain't seen well, you know.
Yeah.
Mr. Ray.
That's not Ray and Neville, you know.
Oh, I knew.
It's
on the Ray.
Oh my gosh. I saw a liquor from early this morning and called her to look how I clean out the cottage. Very beautiful.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh
You
my
saw the sun coming out now?
Wow.
You see, are you bring the sun coming on, Juki Jam?
So which is right, my blessing now.
Yeah, you bring the sun
I'm very
coming.
blessed.
Highly blessed.
Because Ali, I say I'll go my space up.
Don't cut your come and pillar cut your dada.
The pillow.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah,
Too much sleeping.
Oh, sleep. Man, we was and take care of my mother, you know. Dream team. So look, I can tell you, when I go to airport and meet the foreigners, them and when I help them, they gave me money. Buy up little grocery for my mom.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give her all the money too.
One day we talk saying last time I go on my mom.
My mama 99.
The teacher car about heating in the car.
Yeah, man.
The teacher car.
Oh my God, that's why I'm blessed.
Yeah. And everybody away from color. Everybody away from
People that cuss me, no kid. I said, Juki, oh, your mother 99 and you didn't told us. I said, I didn't know you guys wanna come, man.
Okay.
Charter of bus, man.
Oh, a bus load cut up.
See them there, I can't tell her. That's why I'm a blessed key now. My mother blessing alone.
True,
Let
true.
me a flow.
Yeah. Flow like a river.
See bees pitch by you.
See bees pitch by you, man.
Yeah, you know, say like when you come, my mind just tell me say put on this stuff.
Yeah, the best crown and champion.
Oh my God. Yeah, man, then a clothes when me look like Juke them jam them enough. Without clothes, Juke wouldn't be nobody. Yeah, all in the airport.
You love your color.
Yeah, police all over there. When the president say, yo, Juke, you know someone inspector, the man say love when you're in their work, just for see you. Yeah, so most of the friends them I have right now, that's how I meet them at the airport.
Yeah.
When they saw me and me greet them, they were saying, yo, you was on the flight. I said, no, never flew before. You get what I'm saying? I never flew. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So,
Pick up the GMT.
yeah. So today we start the first lining up
Yeah, man.
for that t-shirt project, you know?
Yeah, I love that. But I came to look for her yesterday and I told her. But I told her I didn't know when you guys are coming.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if somebody tell me say you guys run here, I say, when me I run, I say, I let my follow you. I say how fast me I get up. Yeah.
Just for reach.
Yeah, man, just reach, man.
Whoa. Big up the Love Bay Station. Whoa. Big up the Love Bay Station. Yeah. Bay Station, no. Big up the Love Bay Station, whoa. John T. Blue TYB say, whoa. Check out the radio station, no.
More in the car. 12. So everybody will have a tune in on the radio station. So everybody all over the world have a see it. See it. And what we make off, you know? What we can do. What we do for the love of our art. See it. Straight, man.
Say, whoa. Check out the radio station, no. Big up the Love Bay Station, whoa. John T. Blue TYB say, whoa. Check out the radio station, no.
Where to come from now? Canada.
Yeah.
I forgot my.
I said, Juki, I busted down and said, colors. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Keita.
Hello, what do you want to run an aisle for? You should run an aisle for. You alright, movie?
Yes, sir.
I feel what you know. You run for. At the point already, so no need to run no more. Don't run.
You know, I miss you favor.
Yeah, I realize.
Look and she see me.
Straight up. Mother. Yeah, Miss Dassa.
Yes, sir.
How you feeling?
Well, the feeling's not too bad, you know. It got times, you know.
Yeah. So everything go all with her, she would otherwise.
Yeah. The way I get her the water. This, as I said, the water. The shaking there, but it's not strong like that.
Yeah.
More time in the
I work on the peanut trash and all for gear, for boil and gear.
Okay.
Sorry, for draw and gear for like water. Set speed.
Yeah. Peanut trash. So that help as well to do.
Yeah.
So what's up?
Yeah, so what's up for the peanut too. Peanut trash.
Yeah.
Take also too. You see, so she not shake like how she did a shake the first time, you see. So the water work a man, every other man will pick the bush.
Yeah.
So I said. So that's how it's set, you see.
Help each time.
Yeah.
So Mr. Dassa, you been praying for us?
Praying for everybody, man.
Yeah.
The whole world, this time Jamaica.
Yes, man. I know we need the prayers.
Far and wide.
Yeah, I've been praying for us as well too.
Yeah.
Are you a teach him?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see it, man. Him learn well. I'm always a prayer. And that's good. And yeah, so we have a donation for you. So I'm Hollywood doing Natisha and lady at 2nd Street to start fair project today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Only a major place to start fair.
yeah, so she's a friend in need as well. She lives in basically one abandoned toilet with she and 3 her kids them. So you have to donors them reach out to her to help out her situation. So I run this over there. But we have a donor will call and send one donation for you. So one of the eldest them as well to Mr. Leach.
Bobby Leach.
Yeah. Mr.
Top
Leach.
team out here too, you know?
Yeah.
Must have a big upset speed.
All them youth, them grow them, you know.
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
Grow them, you know. Like born and grow in my hand and then big down this so.
Yeah.
Run up and down, play ball in the people. And them people that are war, no cause, I'm afraid. Them are my son, them
Grow
grow
together.
together, one family,
One family.
and them mother.
The eldest them.
Yeah.
Okay, so the other day you have Dean. Reach out as
Dean,
well.
you say.
Dean,
No,
by
always
the
come
plant,
plant.
and the
Yeah.
No Bobby Leach, I see thing and I like it.
Bobby
No,
Leach.
see.
Yes,
See them and them now forget where them are coming from. So
yes.
them try them best we can reach out in any possible way them can. So you don't know where to give thanks to that. So big up yourself, Bobby Leach. So you have $5,000 from Bobby Leach. What is that? $5,000 from Bobby Leach.
$5,000 from Bobby Leach. Bobby Leach, big up yourself, you know.
Bobby Leach, thank
Kung
you
Kang.
very much.
You
Yeah.
always say Kung Kang Kang, you know. Big up
Yeah.
yourself, Bobby Leach. You see me, I say,
God
may the
bless
Lord
you,
bless you and keep you. You see?
Your store
You
basket
have
never
never
empty.
empty.
Yeah,
A real friend. You see me, I say?
yeah.
Big up you and your family, them, your brother, them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Always. Got the
Yeah.
Ellis them reach out, you know.
Yeah, they
One Ellis, you know?
You have one Ellis to reach out as well to the other day.
That's a Dean.
Dean.
You know, Bobby Leach.
And you have the young one as well to Christopher reach out to the girl and help
Christopher,
her
yeah.
buy her a bag
Yeah,
of
Christopher.
a flower.
Yeah.
You know one of the Ellis
Big up
them.
all of them said speed, you know?
Yeah.
So, like,
So Mr. Leach, they must give you this as well to buy yourself a drink, Ali,
yeah.
from Bobby Leach
Alright.
himself.
Give thanks, Bobby Leach. You know what I say? You know, it's a drink. Yeah.
Yeah, we belated, you know.
I always remember me, you know, if I listen to the hear the laugh now, Kung Kang Kang.
Yeah.
You know? That's why they say my mother laugh, she know the
Yeah, so
style,
she know the
because
style.
it's a drama, man.
Kung Kang
See what I say?
Kang.
Yeah, man, my mother know in film style, say, a film style, that's why I love it. Now, really. You see? Bobby Leach. Yeah, man, a great Leach, man.
Yeah. I would
First time the man score a goal for Boys Town in balling. Balling, score a goal for Boys Town. Yeah, man, a great Leach, man.
Yeah, because we used to play ball for Boys Town too.
Yeah, great Leach,
When was the
man.
number 10 you used to wear?
Yeah, I never remember which number I used to wear, but I give thanks to the donor, them, you see. Bobby Leach just stay free, you see me, I say.
Yeah,
Out of the pandemic thing, you see me, I say, guy, it real out there, you know, you see. But through my mother, up on the inside, she always I do the right thing, you see. So right, next time on the video around, I go show the protocol, so she go wear her mask.
Yeah.
You see me, I say,
Yeah.
get the thing real on a real level.
Yeah,
Like, the
yeah.
thing is real, you see.
Yeah, I understand.
Big up all of the donors, them do the thing. And big up all of who come on board yet, and big up all of who have to come on board and do the right thing, because we are doing it from our heart.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, the gangs represent enough to me.
Yeah,
You see me, I say, the gangs represent enough to me.
Yeah, for real.
So me I big up everybody where support the thing. My mother, they are side our side speed 24/7. We left her on the program, still come on and come get hype on her and check it. So big up the donors them.
All the time.
May the Lord bless you and keep you.
Yeah.
Zane and mommy, love you same way.
Yeah, give thanks to the Almighty,
Yeah. They are fair, man. You see?
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
a blessing, you know?
It is.
Yeah, man, just a blessing.
We
Yeah,
have to
man,
give thanks,
for
you know. So we're glad the people them are reach out and
Yeah.
the prayers are reach out
And
the
prayer.
universe. So, you know, so
Holy for prayer, you know?
yeah, so the more the people them see the video,
Yeah.
and the more them been touched by our situation.
Yes, man.
Because them all have a heart. There's a lot of godly people on this program as well, so we give thanks to them.
For
Let
real.
them see the cause and
Yeah.
them try for minute as
For real.
any way them can, any way
Yeah.
possible.
Definitely.
And so if you always big them up, you know, doing them from all over.
Pick up all of one of them from all over. You see, do this match and we are continue to do good work. See, like as we Kino say, you want to not teach we are going. You stop yourself.
You must stop
No, Jamaican go on.
Yeah.
You see?
So it shall continue.
Yeah.
Definitely will. So
Yes.
that's
I go up on the road, same way go do the work on a second street. Major
so you
house.
see me again, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Always. Alright then. Happy mother?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better day.